Hello everyone, welcome to Aakash. I'm Umesh Oila, your NEET and JEE counseling expert here at Aakash. So in this video, we are going to discuss complete counseling process for Telangana state. So let's start this. Telangana state MBBS counseling for the MBBS and PTS. The topics which we will cover in this video are seat matrix, means how many seats were available in 2025 for MBBS and PTS in Telangana state, cutoff analysis, 2025 trends, and step-by-step complete counseling process for Telangana. Here is your official website for Telangana State Counseling Authorities, and you are advised to check this website twice a day to get any update from the authorities. And if we talk about some important facts, then a district-wise map has been provided on your screen. Here you can see how many colleges present in each district along with their classifications, whether they are government or private. So if we talk about a short summary, then we have total 65 colleges with a seat capacity of 9,440 seats, in which 36 are government medical college with a seat capacity of 4,290 seats, and remaining 29 are private medical college with a seat capacity of 5,150. And if we talk about source, then data is taken from NMC 2025, which is very authentic source for this type of information, as you all know about it. So here is your government MBBS college list with college name, city name along with annual intake capacity. Clear? Please take a screenshot for the future reference. And here is your second government MBBS college list, private MBBS colleges list, and second list for the private colleges. Screenshot taken? Good. Now, if we talk about BDS seat matrix, then map is on your screen. And if we talk about a short summary, then we have total 14 dental colleges with a seat capacity of 1,340 seats, in which only one is government dental college with a seat capacity of 100, and remaining 13 are private dental college with the seat capacity near about 1,240 seats. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. So now your list on your screen. Please take a screenshot for this. Taken? Very good. Now, government MBBS college cutoff 2025 means in 2025 at which maximum AIR admission were allotted for the specific categories for the specific quota. So for an example, you are belong to general quota, means you don't have any special quota and belong to BCA category, then your cutoff was 3,13,763 in 2025. So if we talk about an expected cutoff for this year, then it's near about 3,10,000 to 3,17,000 for this year, because there is a little bounce in cutoff every year, as you all know, because of increment of seat, increment of colleges, and there are some colleges which we will ban in 2026, which will ban in 2025. So there are a lot of conditions to change in cutoff. Clear? Please make ensure that you have taken a screenshot of this screen as well, because this is very important and crucial data. Clear? Now, private MBBS college cutoff for 2025. Take a screenshot of this as well, because you know your cutoff and your seat matrix data is a reliable tool in your counseling journey. And these data are crucial data for all the candidates who want to participate counseling this year. Because when you search this for these data on any platform, you will get different result at different time, and which there is a question on the sanctity and accuracy of data. Because the accurate data, the dependable data need a lot of time, lot of effort and a proper analysis. And that is exactly what we have done for you. So this is 100% dependable data. You have no need to worry about. Just take screenshot and use it in your counseling journey to make it smooth and very easy for you. So now let's discuss about seat distribution in Telangana state medical counseling. Basically, we have two type of colleges in each state. First one is government medical college and second one is private medical college. So in Telangana state, we have two type of counseling also. First one is competent quota counseling, which is also known as state quota counseling, and second one is management quota counseling. In Competent quota counseling, both type of colleges will participate, government as well as private, but only private colleges will participate in management quota counseling. So for an example, we have total 100 seats in all the government medical college of Telangana. So distribution of these seats are as follows. 85% seats are reserved under state quota, means these 85% seats are reserved for local student of Telangana, means no any outside student can claim these seats. Point clear? So where are remaining 15% seats? So these 15% seats are under MCC, which is also known as All India Quota, and these seats are open for all the candidates who qualify NEET 2026. Point clear? Now let's assume we have total 100 seats in all the private medical college of Telangana. So distribution of these 100 seats are as follows. 50 seats out of these 100 seats are under competent quota counseling or state quota, as you can see here. Means these 50% seats are also reserved for local students of Telangana. So same condition, no any outsider student can claim these seats. Now let's talk about management quota counseling. So how many seats are available in management quota? So remaining 50 seats are available in management quota counseling, 50%. For Indian citizen, out of these 50% seats, 35% seats are reserved for Indian students. For an example, we have total 100 seats for the private medical college, 50 seats are under competent quota and remaining 50 seats are under management quota counseling. Clear? So 35 seats out of these 50 seats are open for Indian citizen student. Clear? So distribution of these 35 seats are as follows. 85% of these 35 seats are reserved for local candidates of Telangana. Clear? And remaining 15% of these 35 seats are open for all the students who doesn't belong to Telangana, means who are outsider student. Clear? So where are remaining 15 seats? So remaining 15 seats are for NRI candidate. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, good. And so if we talk about fee, then for the government medical colleges near about 7k to 20k per annum approx. For the private medical college in competent quota is near about 60k per annum. For the management quota and for the Indian citizen, it's near about 12 lakh to 15 lakh per annum. And for the NRI students, near about 2 times of what Indian citizen pay. But for the exact figure, we have to wait for the official counseling brochure of Telangana state authorities. Okay guys, now what process should be followed to complete your counseling process, to complete your counseling schedule? Online registration and verification. You have to complete your online registration on the given website. Declaration of merit list means a list will be published and you have to check your name. If your name will be there, then you have to complete your online choice filling, which is also known as exercising web option in Telangana. After that, allotment of list means after 1 week, near about 1 week or to 10 days, a list will be published and you have to check your name. If your name will be there, then you have to download allotment letter from the official portal. After that, collect all your stuff such as your fee, DD of your fee, otherwise it's more in the net banking also, your original documents, your passport size photographs, bonds if applicable in that state. Take all the stuff to the allotted center and complete your physical reporting. After completion of your physical reporting, your admission will be 100% secured. Clear? Any doubt? Good. Eligibility, first of all, see open state. Open state means any outsider student can participate in Telangana state counseling and eligible to take admission in private medical college only. Clear? So eligibility for what? 85% in GMCs and state quota in private medical college and state quota for the private medical college in management counseling. You have to fulfill this condition. And what the condition? The condition is Candidates should have studied for a minimum of 7 academic years, including 10 plus 2, from one or more government recognized institutions located in Telangana. Clear? Any doubt? Now, the list of documents which are required at time for the registration of counseling. Academic eligibility mark sheet, means your 10th and 12th mark sheet, your NEETUG mark sheet, domicile certificate if applicable, caste certificate if applicable, PWD certificate, passport size photograph. You need near 8 to 10 passport size photograph, government ID proof. For an example, your Aadhaar card, and make sure your Aadhaar should be updated at the time of counseling, especially your biometric and photo. Minority certificate if applicable, and if authorities need some additional document, then you have to produce them. Clear? Any doubt? Good. Is there any scholarship scheme available in Telangana? Yes, the post-matric scholarship scheme is available in Telangana for the candidate of SC, ST, BC, minority and PWD category, and the condition the total family annual income for SC and ST student is to be less than or equal to 2 lakh rupees, and for BC, EBC or minorities it is 1.5 lakh rupees in rural and 2 lakh rupees in urban areas. To know more about scholarship, please visit the official website. And if we talk about bond, then there is only discontinuation bond applicable in Telangana, and discontinuation bond applicable in both type of colleges, government as well as private medical colleges. Means if you take admission in any type of college and after the batch announcement you withdraw your admission, then you have to pay a penalty of 20 lakh rupees to that college. Hopefully there is no any service bond in 2025 in Telangana, but for the latest update we have to wait for official counseling brochure. So I hope all your doubts are clear now, but if you still have some doubts, then put the doubt in comment box and we are here to help you. Thank you so much. All the very best.